Feel nice breezes from up here. You do get an ocean view outside of this window. Can't really see it through the screen. This is an original unit, so all original appliances. The nice thing about this unit is the view. That is definitely a really nice ocean view. Now, this is what the camera looks like. Zooming in, this is more of what the eye is seeing. Yeah, overlooking the pool as well. So it is a nice view. You get ocean view from all the way here to there. So really nice. I like this unit. It's kind of private too because you have this foliage here. That's your bedroom. Nobody really looking down because of that foliage. You do have some neighbors there, but they'd be looking at the view. And this plumeria blocks the lanai right here, so that's nice. As long as they keep it trimmed, it won't obstruct your view. But it is a great ocean view. That's the advantage of this unit. So you have carpeting here. Looks clean carpeting. Then you have, of course, 2 bath. And this is original. Storage closet. And obviously original AC unit. Nice vaulted ceilings. That's nice when you're upstairs unit. That's the advantage. Closet on the left. Original. Everything here is original there. So, but very spacious. You do get ocean view from the bedroom as well. A little blocked, but you still get straight on ocean views for sure. I'll zoom in a little bit just so you can kind of see more of what the eye sees. There you go. Nice unit. Original but clean, comfortable feeling. I definitely feel the breezes from up here. And then spectacular ocean view.